challenge the number 1, Disco Inferno. So, I unwittingly told JP and the boys, hey, I want to learn bass. I think that'd be a great way for me to contribute to the group, right? And he's like, all right, cool, man. You have a week to learn Disco Inferno. Disco Inferno.
I mean, half of me wants to be like, this is doable, but the other half of me has to remember that I was also new at an instrument at one point, and I kind of have to gauge on that experience almost 15 years ago, more than 15 years ago, to kind of see if I'm being difficult or not.
This is the part where I show you guys that you too can be mediocre at an instrument when your friends challenge you to play a super hard song on said instrument, knowing full well you don't play that instrument. Those are real friends. Don't let anyone fool you.
Finding that balance of did you work hard enough or you just don't get it yet has been the thing that I have to kind of focus on the most for the challenge as a coach.
Yes! Let's go! Let's go, boys! Let's go! JP, I ain't afraid of you, bro. I ain't afraid of you, bro. This just... I ain't afraid of you, boy. It's day 2. And I'm basically a legend.
But laziness will get punished. And that shit won't be tolerated. So that will be the only one where it's just like unacceptable. There's 7 days in a week.
I haven't been practicing with the pick. It's all fingers.
These songs aren't Victor Wooten shit.
This is not even nice to play with. I totally get finger picking now.
You just gotta fucking do it.
Disco Inferno, man. Ding.
What I'm looking for is an understanding of the song. I'm not looking for Guitar Hero 100% complete. That's stupid. But I'm more impressed if you can fumble your way through the entire song.
Your boy Q. I have been a real bitch. Like, I never recorded this video for the Goose Challenge, and I learned the song and everything, so I guess I'm just scared. I don't even know. I am gonna see Goose in a couple minutes, so I'm guessing he's gonna whoop my ass and hopefully teach me something. I'm looking forward to see what he has to say since he's an incredible performer. And if there's one thing I really want to work on and grow from this challenge is that perspective. So we'll see how that goes.
Them 7 minutes were tough, man. Like, into the second exercise, I knew I was fucked. Halfway through the first one, I knew this was gonna be hard. It's obvious that my abs are weak compared to other things in my body, so I think we're gonna have to do this every day. I'm kind of disappointed with my effort, but we can dedicate 7 minutes to it a day. But I should kick my.
I just pulled up on Q here at his cribbo, and we're basically gonna see how far along he is in his challenge. It is currently Tuesday of a challenge that was supposed to be done last Thursday. It was on his own, so I was giving him the first week to see how much progress he would do. This is a tester week. It may seem like I've been a shitty coach, but tester week. I wanted to see how you did without advisement so I could see at what level do I need to come in.
Well, it was a goal on my own anyways. I haven't received much instruction from Q. He showed me a basic template. I just feel he has to kind of adjust those parameters to, I guess, more consistency, because if I want to be challenged, I definitely want to be challenged to do something that is a lot more pinpoint, but it's pretty accurate so far. Just losing weight and getting in shape is just something I should be doing anyways.
So we're about to learn how hard I need to go from here on out, depending on what he did or did not do. Fight! Challenge was fun, boys. As you can see, I demolished it. JK, I missed the middle A. Just throw in some video effects magic. Scroll. And then right over my face, put big bold letters that say, "Cucked!"